Alright, this is a 100-shot Dreamkeeper, a salute cake. Like many other cakes out there, it's a re-rep. I know a lot of people hate it, but it's whatever's. So you see here, Dreamkeeper 100 shots. It's exactly like Dead Heat. I have Dead Heat uploaded in my channel. If you guys want to look through it, it's exactly the same as Dead Heat. 100 shots, everything. It's just different graphics. So just different graphics. Right here, I got two. I know a lot of people complain about the re-wraps and all that, but hey, it's whatever's. Alright. This is Dreamkeeper 100 shots. Okay. So now that I talked about Dreamkeeper, I'm gonna talk about sound check. I'm gonna be popping one Dreamkeeper and one sound check next to each other. It's gonna be hella loud. See here. Reverse fuse on a regular fuse. You could do both at the same time. It'll be less time, but if you like having it last a little longer, then just do one fuse right here. Sound check 100 shots. See around it. Alright, sound check and Dreamkeeper up next.
Get back.